Imagine saving $1,000 or more in 2025 while helping the planet all with the power of AI right in your pocket. Hi, welcome to EcoWalletYouth, where we make sustainable personal finance simple for young adults like you in the USA, Canada, Australia, and UK. If you're a beginner struggling with budgeting in this era of rising costs and climate change, this video is your game changer. Today, I'm walking you through a step-by-step guide on how AI can build your personalized eco-budget. No more generic spreadsheets, AI makes it custom, green, and effortless. Stick around till the end for a free 30-day challenge that could transform your finances. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why AI is the future of eco-budgeting in 2025, according to recent reports. The global sustainable finance market has exploded to $8.2 trillion in 2024, with projections for even more growth as young adults like us prioritize green living. A whopping 64% of adults are planning to invest more in 2025, but many waste thousands on non-eco habits like excessive plastic use or energy bills. That's where AI comes in. AI-powered tools analyze your spending, predict trends, and suggest eco-friendly swaps. Think switching to zero-waste groceries or renewable energy plans. For young adults aged 18 to 35, this is huge. Studies show Gen Z is 40% more likely to invest in sustainable options, but we need tools that fit our busy lives. AI does that by personalizing everything from your location to your income. In the USA, for example, AI can factor in green tax credits. In Canada, it optimizes for carbon pricing. In Australia, it suggests solar rebates. And in the UK, it highlights eco-tax breaks. The result: you save money and reduce your carbon footprint by up to 20% in the first year, based on tools like YNAB's data. And with AI spending expected to rise by 36% in 2025, it's clear this technology is becoming essential for personal money management. Excited yet? Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Understand your starting point. Before AI jumps in, track your current spending. Use free apps like Mint or Pocket Guard to import your bank statements. AI scans for patterns like how much you spend on non-eco items such as fast fashion or single-use plastics, which average $500 yearly for young adults in the UK. This step is crucial because AI needs data to personalize. For beginners, start with a simple 7-day log. Note your expenses on food, transport, and utilities. Tools like Cleo use AI chatbots to categorize this instantly, spotting eco-leakages like high energy use. In Australia, where electricity costs are rising, this could save you $100 a month by suggesting green alternatives like LED bulbs or public transport passes. Pro tip: if you're in Canada, link your app to carbon trackers for a full eco-view. Remember, without this foundation, AI can't deliver hyper-personalized advice, which is key to revolutionizing your finances in 2025. Take a moment to pause and think about your own spending. Have you noticed any hidden eco costs? Step 2. Choose the right AI tool. Not all AI budgeting apps are created equal. Pick ones with eco features. Top recommendations for 2025 include Cleo, which uses AI for fun, conversational budgeting and eco-swap suggestions. YNAB, you need a budget, which integrates AI forecasting for green goals like building a solar fund. And Acorns, an AI micro-investing app that rounds up purchases for sustainable investments. For beginners in the USA, Acorns is great because it automates green ETF investments with just $5. In the UK, try Emma AI for bill negotiation with eco providers. These tools are free to start, with premium under $10 a month. Download one today and connect your accounts. AI will do the heavy lifting, analyzing up to 1,000 transactions in seconds. Zeta is another gem for shared finances, perfect for roommates or couples managing eco-household budgets. The beauty is that AI moves beyond supportive tools to become integral decision engines, making sophisticated financial management accessible to everyone. Which tool will you try first? Step 3. Create your personalized AI prompt. Here's the magic. Use ChatGPT or similar free AI to generate your custom eco-budget. Copy this prompt, build a personalized 2025 eco-budget for a 25-year-old in your country, for example, USA with $3,000 monthly income. Include categories like food, transport, and utilities with eco-friendly swaps to reduce carbon footprint by 15%. Suggest green investments under $100 and forecast savings for 6 months. Tweak it for your details. AI will output a full plan. Like swapping rideshares for biking, saving $150 a month in Canada, or meal prepping zero waste, cutting to $100 food waste in Australia. This is untouched territory. Most people use AI for chat, but for eco-finance, it's a game changer with trends showing 36% more adoption in 2025. Run the prompt, review, and adjust. For even better results, add specifics like your city or hobbies. AI can suggest eco-friendly gym memberships or thrift shopping apps. The potential of AI to address challenges in green finance, such as limited investor awareness, is huge. Try it now and see the difference. Step 4. Implement country-specific eco-hacks. AI makes it local. In the USA, use AI for tax credit trackers like solar rebates, saving up to $1,000 yearly. In Canada, AI optimizes for carbon taxes by suggesting electric vehicle leases. Australia, AI apps like Good On You rate eco-fashion, cutting wardrobe costs by 25%. For the UK, AI integrates with apps like Octopus Energy for renewable plans, reducing bills by 20%. Combine this with your AI budget, track progress weekly, and watch savings grow. Real example: a young adult in Sydney used AI to switch to bulk buying, saving for $100 on groceries while going zero waste. In 2025, AI-driven personal finance management is disrupting the industry with hyper-personalized advice and automated budgeting. Don't forget to leverage social media and AI for engaging financial education tailored to your needs. These hacks aren't just tips, they're practical ways to thrive. Step 5. Launch your 30-day AI Eco Challenge. To make this stick, commit to a 30-day trial. Week 1. Track spending with AI and identify your top 3 eco-leakages like unnecessary deliveries. Week 2. Implement 3 eco-swaps such as reusable coffee cups or plant-based meals to cut food costs by 15%. Week 3. Invest $50 in green ETFs via AI recommendations, focusing on sustainable funds that align with 2025 trends. Week 4. Review savings. Expect $100 to $500 based on reports and adjust your prompt for better accuracy. Share your results in the comments. I'd love to hear. This challenge isn't just about money. It's about building a sustainable future while addressing regulatory gaps in green finance. Many young adults start small but see big changes. Will you join them? There you have it, a complete beginner's guide to using AI for your personalized eco-budget in 2025. If this helped, hit like, subscribe to EcoWalletYouth for more green finance tips, and turn on notifications. Comment below. What's your first eco-swap? Let's grow wealth and save green together. See you in the next video.